one battle ever filmed. No CGI, no tricks, just pure martial arts. It's Rama versus the assassin, two monster of Pencak Silat, locked in a deadly duel. The knives they used, real blades dulled down, but still dangerous. That meant every strike had to be perfect. One mistake, and the fight could have ended in real blood. This scene took nearly 3 weeks to shoot, with hours of rehearsal each day. Every move was carefully choreographed, but it still feels raw and unpredictable.